Hi all, I am Prasant Thakre. Welcome in the AWS Solution Architect Certification Exam. So let's jump on the question. A retail company runs early flash sales and has a performance issue on its Amazon RDS for PostgreSQL database. The database administrator have identified that the issue with performance happens when finance and marketing employees refresh sales dashboard that are used for reporting real-time sales data. So let's try to understand the question. So it's trying to say like that the real time sales data is being viewed or analyzed by the sales and market finance and marketing employees. So basically it is the read only data which is being provided from the database to the dashboard so that the employees can see the real time sales data. So it's completely the read only data which is being fetched from the database and giving it back to the marketing employees. And here the question is saying that RDS is being used for this purpose, but there is a problem of the performance issue. So of course, if there is too many reads are being happen on the RDS, then there will be a performance issue to the user, and it will impact to the early flash sales because of the latency issues. The user will face the timeout and other problems. So let's jump on the options. So before that, I just want to cover that question is saying what should be done to resolve the issue without impacting the performance. So yes, basically we want to increase the performance. So option A is saying that create a read replica of RDS PostgreSQL database and point the dashboard at the read replica. So this is the good option that we can create the read replica and we can divert all the traffic which is related to the read only, and this traffic will go to directly to the read replica so that it will not hit your primary DB, and all the read and write operation which is being happened, this kind of traffic we can move to the primary database. So this looks okay to me, but we will jump on the next option. Move the data from RDS PostgreSQL Amazon to the Redshift nightly and point the dashboard at Amazon Redshift. So Redshift is not a correct approach here to adopt this because it is trying to say like that the finance and marketing employees refresh sales board that are used for reporting real-time sales data. So they are keep on refreshing and they are analyzing the data. However, it is trying to say like that we need to run on the nightly. So this is not the correct option. So I'm marking it as wrong. C is monitor the database with Amazon CloudWatch and increase the instance size as necessary. Make no changes to the dashboard. So here it is nothing related to that. We are going to increase that instance size so that uh, we can increase the performance of your application layer. But the main thing is like that still the number of queries which are hitting to the DB, that we are not able to prevent it. So here it is not the correct option because number of hits to the database we are not reducing. The last is take an early snapshot of RDS Postgre database and load the early snapshot to another database to which the dashboard are pointed. That is the wrong option because here they are looking for that real-time sales data reporting and they are keep on refreshing it. So the right option is the create a read replica of RDS Postgres database, point to the dashboard at the read replica. So let's jump on the more slides which is explaining in detail about that how we can use the read replica in such kind of scenario. So here the real-time data is coming from the left hand side, and then you are having a EC2 instance or application layer which is reading all the data and doing the write and read operation. So here you can see that we are using the primary database and then we are having the multiple read replica, and primary database will um, keep on updating the data into the read replica. It will be in sync, and real-time data analysis will be done by using the reporting application. There is a dashboard here and dashboard will fetch the data from read replica so that there will not be any impact on the primary DB because of this user. So the traffic has been diverted. This is the T1 and this is the T2. So there will not be any performance impact on the T1 traffic due to the T2 users. So this is kind of a design which we followed when we are trying to reduce the number of unnecessary hit on the primary database which can cause to the primary users. And these are the primary users, and in these situations when we are having a read replica, then we are not compromising with the performance. So this is the one more design which is trying to say like that if suppose you are having a multi availability zone, or you are having a different region and you are trying to do the cross region replica, then there will be a replication lag. So keep in mind, when you are doing the read replica, then in the same zone it will be same region, it will be fast, same zone it will be more fast, but if it in the different region or different availability zone, then there will be a replication lag. So this is all from my side.